It's 15-inch port for 315s.
We got you too.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I can't touch you with that strap if you ain't got no body. I can't check you on no lick if you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, man? What's your name and what's in here?
Oh, sorry, I got everything still packed because of the rain. My name's Cody Brownfield.
Okay.
I got 3 XL Elite 15s. That's powered by a Sound Digital 5K. The new XO-V2. Mechman 240 under the hood. I have 2 Titan 8s under or behind your seat. I have a Titan 8 and a cat bank behind my seat.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll pop the trunk and everything.
Let's go check that out first. Why not?
Right.
Yeah, man. Nice. What year's your Jeep?
2010 Grand Cherokee.
Wow, who built this? This looks really good.
This would be Matt Esser, so he's actually two down.
2 down, okay.
Yeah.
And this is how your subs are wired?
Yep, so it's they're 1.4s, so they're wired up to 2.8. Everything comes together, drop down to 1 ohm for the amp.
All right.
Then behind this, on the back side of this board, is the SAM 65.4.
Okay.
It's a really small micro sundown.
So what is this RMS rating?
It's 5,000 watts.
For a small little amp, that's crazy.
I think it's 12.8 rated.
Okay.
And we're 1113, so maybe a little over 5,000 is what we're getting here.
Have you done any kind of SPL tests? Just to know what the meter score is yet?
With a bigger amp.
The bigger amp?
Tested with the Raven. I got a 156 with the Raven.
Wow. Okay.
The 5K though, I don't know, maybe around 150s. I haven't actually metered with this setup.
Okay. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
If I switch to something that's normal,
Okay.
like going back to Spotify, it's a pretty balanced system, so that's what I try to aim for with the 5K.
Yeah. Okay. So you lower power to be more balanced.
Yeah.
Did you say what it was tuned to?
Tuned to, I think it's 33 hertz. 33. That's 18 inches of port ratio. So it's a lot of.
That'll help a little bit.
It's a huge port size.
Oh yeah, it was pretty big. Yeah.
It's 15-inch port for 315s.
Nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
The phone just locked itself out, so take a second.
Okay.
I'll pick something random too. Let's go 15. Uh, 25 to 41. I haven't played this one yet.
Okay.
It's loading.
We got you too. Cocaine. So really, I get it. My cousin pushed the weight while my family smoked the crack rock. Heard me to my heart when my favorite uncle smoked the crack rock. Now it's Super Bowl. Wear a suit, pick a favorite movie. When I open up, well, she's talking to me. When I go get groceries, cause she knows that I keep nothing.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Oh, you're welcome.
Very nice.
Switch to something that's not rebased. It still sounds just
Yeah,
as
man, it
clean.
does. I appreciate the
Thank you,
demo.
man.
Thank you for showing me. Awesome job, man. Thank you for watching too.
Yeah, I love all the videos. So
Thank
it's
you, man.
wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, man.